In this video, I am going to show you how to find your BTC address on Cash App quickly and easily. Your Bitcoin address is a unique string of characters that allows you to receive Bitcoin from others or from external wallets. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Bitcoin icon, the symbol that looks like a Bitcoin, located at the bottom of the screen to access the Bitcoin section. In the Bitcoin section, tap on the Deposit button or the Receive option. This will bring up your Bitcoin address. You'll see a QR code along with your alphanumeric Bitcoin address displayed below it. To copy your Bitcoin address, tap on the copy icon next to the address. You can now paste it anywhere you need, whether it's for receiving Bitcoin from someone or entering it into another wallet. If someone wants to send you Bitcoin, they can scan the QR code displayed on your screen, or you can simply share your copied address with them. Make sure to double-check that you're sending and receiving Bitcoin correctly, as transactions cannot be reversed. That's it. You've successfully learned how to find your BTC address on Cash App. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.